Hey, Sam with Sam's Garage Sale on YouTube, Sam's Garage on Facebook, and MilitarySurplusLLC.com. And check these out, guys. I have U.S. Military Aircraft Wing Lights. They are, you can see that there. $75-watt and 125-volt lights. I'm going to screw this off to my hand here real quick. Comes off. They got nice seals on them. This nut here comes in the package, as does this washer. It takes a bayonet type bulb. They're waterproof. This is the lot number, the cage number. They were package 3 of 1995. They're military issue. They come in a package like this. This package here is inside of here, and it comes with this. Okay, so you get this package with the this is the contents. I've got 10 in the package, and I have this one right here out of the package. I'm going to do $15 shipped anywhere in the USA. Okay, if you need tail lights for a trailer, you want them bright, motorcycle, bike, ATV, car, hot rod, whatever it may be, these are cool lights. You can adapt that light to do what you need. It's got that nice beveled glass on the front. Feels like it's plastic. Actually, doesn't feel like it's glass. It says light indicator on there on the package. It's made by Dialight. These are my website. I've got 10 up there. $15 shipped anywhere in the USA. If you want to pick them up locally, that's okay too. Get a hold of me. Again, this is something that we're throwing up. I got 10 of them. I'm cleaning the garage out. Got all kinds of stuff coming up. This is Sam. I'll talk to you later. You can reach me at 816-359-7945.